Properly fixing uncategorized income in QuickBooks Online is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Go to the Transactions or Accounting menu in QuickBooks Online. Review your transactions to identify any income transactions that are uncategorized or not assigned to a specific income account. Click on each uncategorized income transaction to view its details, including the date, customer or vendor, description, and amount. Verify that the transaction is indeed income that needs to be categorized to the correct income account. For each uncategorized income transaction, categorize it to the correct income account. Click on the transaction to open it, then select the appropriate income account from the category drop-down menu. If the correct income account is not listed, you can create a new income account by selecting the plus Add New from the drop-down menu. If you have recurring uncategorized income transactions, you can create bank rules to automatically categorize them in the future. Go to the Banking or Transactions menu and select Bank Rules. Create a new rule for uncategorized income transactions by specifying criteria such as transaction amount, description keywords, and source account. Set the rule to categorize these transactions to the correct income account automatically. After categorizing uncategorized income transactions, review the changes to ensure that they are correctly categorized. Click Save or Save and Close to save the categorization changes for each transaction.